morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
हेलो चलो स्कूल ड्रेस पहनना होता
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
तो बेटा आगे एक क्लास जल्दी आओ
मैम क्लास स्टार्ट करते हैं.
कौन सा भी है बड़े जल्दी
Morning, ma'am.
बताइए तो अभी बोल रहे हैं
कल मैंने देखा था, कल ही देखा
मेरे सर बोल रहे ना वो क्या बोलते तो सर टॉल लेके ना गुड मॉर्निंग गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Please mute your mic.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning, everybody. Fahad, just
गुड
mute your mic.
मॉर्निंग मैम मम्मी
Good
मना
morning.
करती
Good morning,
है
everybody.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम मत लगाती
Fahad, Prerna, for the time being, just mute your.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, of you.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. How is oxygen? Still some of them have joined.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Start the class. पहले हमारे पास ड्रेस है ड्रेस कहाँ से फिर क्या तो भैया अभी जल्दी
Good morning, ma'am.
अपने माइक को म्यूट कर गुड मॉर्निंग मैम गुड मॉर्निंग मैम मैंने
साइंस का बुक मेरे पास है ही नहीं।
आपका वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है मोबाइल किधर है गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Good morning, children. Good morning.
बात मत करो बोले कि
Stop talking, children. Please stop talking. All of you, please stop talking. And Prerna, Riya Sinha, all of you, we were on the topic of is oxygen transported from oxygen to other, from lungs to other parts of the body. This is the topic, today's topic. One or two short topics are left. Then we will move on to the question answer. So here, what is the main thing that inside our body that makes the whole body enriched with oxygen? That is a hemoglobin, the red colored pigment which is present inside our body and in the blood, and that circulates in each and every part of the body, and not even a single corner of our body is left over, because when we see that through capillaries, through arteries, through veins, all the whole body gets enriched with the blood, and these are the blood vessels which carry the blood to different parts of the body. Then we can call it hemoglobin as a respiratory carrier also. Why? Because this hemoglobin is responsible for carrying the oxygen from one part of the body to each and every part of the body. That is why hemoglobin is known as the respiratory carrier. Because in respiration, what happens? Oxygen is transported to all parts of the body. Oxygen is very, very necessary. Cell or that is can be possible of hemoglobin each and every movement in a so and when we take oxygen. Very good. You all have your uniform. Those who are not joining with the uniform, आप manage karo anyhow. If you don't have, then you can come in white shirt. But I think all are the old students. You all are not new. So all of you have the uniform. Now here, those who are new, for them I am telling that you can join with the white uniform, white shirt. Then here, we were talking that it also helps in picking up the carbon dioxide from the blood and putting it out of the body in the process of exhalation. The process of exhalation. And this exhalation process will be beneficial if we are removing the poisonous for our body. So we have to remove this carbon dioxide from our body. Why do we need to breathe out carbon dioxide? This is also a question to be asked in your, has been asked in your book. And this means that this toxic material, as I told you, has to be removed from the body, because if its level becomes high in the body, then all the functions, all the body functions will not be proper, and the person may lead to the extreme condition. तो इसको हमको बाहर हटाना ही होता है, तभी हमारा बॉडी प्रॉपरली फंक्शन कर सकता है. Show that exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. This is the activity given in your book. ये आपका activity number 3. How will you show that air which is coming out of our body, that is containing carbon dioxide? उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? If you are drinking straw and a test tube containing freshly prepared lime water, place one end of the straw in the lime water and blow the exhaled air gently on the at the other end of the straw. What will your lime water, not lemon water, lime water. So, that is, if you are you're taking that lime water in a test tube, और अपने माउथ से स्ट्रॉ लगा लो, पाइप लगा लो, और उसको उसमें इंसर्ट करो. जब आप एक्सेल करोगे तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलेगा, तो दैट लाइम वाटर विल टर्न इनटू, वो मिल्की हो जाएगा, दूधिया हो जाएगा. दैट इज अ श्योर टेस्ट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन योर exhalation process, during your exhalation process. So this is your activity number 3. Now children, till here, any questions you are having?
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, then let us come to the discussion of question answer today.
Yes.
आज हम लोग answer कर लेते हैं, and then we will mark the hard words also, the left or hard word of the chapter, और उसके बाद आप लोग उसको लर्न कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है? Let us start that. All of you please keep your pencil in your hand.
Yes.
सब लोग एक पेंसिल ले लीजिए.
Ma'am है.
Okay, ma'am. Those who are not ready, get ready.
Okay, ma'am.
Now fill in the blanks. Question number A. Lactic acid is produced during
Anaerobic respiration.
Respiration.
Ma'am, anaerobic
Anaerobic
respiration.
respiration.
you write anaerobic respiration. Don't write with oxygen or without oxygen. No need to write that.
Okay, ma'am.
Anaerobic respiration. Insects have organs called trachea for respiration.
Ma'am, trachea.
Trachea. Trachea. Trachea. Spelling should be correct. Otherwise, those whose background noise is coming, mute your mic.
का एक बार फिर से
I'll tell अभिज्ञा, यश,
Yes, ma'am.
जहाँ से आवाज आ रही है आप लोग माइक म्यूट कर लीजिए प्लीज. Then, yes, I'm telling. I will tell again. Lactic acid is produced during
Anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration.
Anaerobic
All
respiration.
don't speak. It will be just all voice will be mingled up. आप लोग सब लोग एक साथ मत बोलिए. Insects have organs called trachea for respiration. Taking in of air rich in oxygen is called
Inhalation.
Inhalation.
yes.
In respiration.
In respiration.
Ma'am, inhalation.
बोल सकते हो.
Inhalation.
Inhalation और inspiration दोनों भी बोल सकते हो. Inspiration is also our alternative word. But
Ma'am.
inhalation is alright. हाँ, बोलिए.
मैम
Yes.
मैम किसी से बुक करवा दीजिए, मेरे पास बुक नहीं है.
बेटा that is a problem. आप लोग थोड़ा अपने में शेयर करो ना. जिसके पास बुक है ना. Listen, those who have book, please give a click of that question answer and send it in the group में आप उस पेज का क्लिक करके
Okay, ma'am.
you can send it. अभी क्या उस पेज का क्लिक करके और भेज दो ग्रुप में
Okay,
ताकि वो
But
जिसके पास
please,
book नहीं है, वो
ma'am,
लोग,
but please,
काम कर लेंगे.
Okay, ma'am.
E, but those who are telling are in 7F.
Oh, 7F you are. Okay.
Yes.
And
Yes,
Anushka is there. Anushka.
Ma'am, I also don't have book.
Anushka was.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Anushka even not have
I am telling.
Ma'am,
Anushka. Anushka Vats is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you please put just click that pages and put it in the group.
Excuse me, ma'am,
So
I
that we
also
can
don't have
complete it.
book.
Ma'am, Anushka
Oh, you
also
don't have
don't have.
book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then in 7F who is having? Aditi, you are having.
Ma'am,
Shall
sir.
you are having.
I am said.
Shally, if you are having, you can put it.
Yes, ma'am, I have book.
And Shally will put. Okay, very good. Shally, you put that click in the group. Okay. Then come to the next question. Answer you all can note down. जिसके पास बुक नहीं भी है, हम जो बोल रहे हैं उसका नंबर देकर आंसर नोट करिए.
Okay, ma'am.
Number 1A, it is anaerobic. Number 2, trachea. Number 3 is inhalation. Number 4,
14 to
adult
20.
Ma'am, 14 to 20.
breathes
20.
Yes, ma'am.
normally breathes from, let me read it first. Normally breathes from 14 to 20 times per
Yes.
minute. 14 to 20 times per minute. The movement of lungs is controlled by the rib cage
And diaphragm.
Diaphragm
And diaphragm and rib
rib
cage.
cage.
Ma'am, diaphragm and rib cage.
Yes, correct.
diaphragm and
Diaphragm and
Yes, yes. Next one. Hemoglobin acts as a respiratory carrier in our body. Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin acts as a respiratory carrier in our body.
Ma'am,
Then the following.
Muscle cramp.
Ma'am, muscle.
Stomata.
Transpiration. Sorry, ma'am,
Transpiration.
transpiration. Ma'am, transpiration.
Correct answer will be transpiration.
Yes, ma'am, transpiration.
Carrier. Hemoglobin.
Ma'am,
Hemoglobin.
Ma'am, hemoglobin.
Ma'am, branches.
Alcohol, fermentation of
Fermentation of yes.
yes. Then tick the correct option. Respiration helps in obtaining energy.
Obtaining energy.
Those who don't have book, you will write that word, obtaining energy. Stomata perform the function of exchange of gases.
Ma'am,
The process represented by the following equation. Glucose plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water plus energy is aerobic respiration.
ma'am, aerobic.
To survive, plants root need oxygen.
Oxygen.
Earthworms and leeches respire through their
Skin.
Not tail.
Ma'am, skin.
Now 1 minute. जिसके पास बुक नहीं है उसको थोड़ा टाइम दीजिए नोट करने के लिए. C. Tick the correct option में. First का obtaining energy. Correct answer obtaining energy. Stomata perform the function of exchange of gases. Process represented by the following equation is aerobic respiration.
Aerobic respiration.
To survive, plants root need oxygen.
Oxygen.
Earthworm and leeches respire through skin. Now come to question number D1. Define respiration. Name the two types of respiration.
Ma'am, the process in which there is breakdown of food and release of energy is known as respiration. Aerobic food and anaerobic conversion of sugar into biochemical energy is called respiration.
All of you please stop. Let me speak. Otherwise it is mingling up and all of you will not able to understand. आप लोग थोड़ा रुक जाइए.
मैम हम लोग रेज हैंड कर सकते हैं.
अभी नहीं, अभी रुकिए. Let me first speak the answer because all of you are marking it. Correct answer सबके पास होना चाहिए. Page number 102, second paragraph. Respiration is the general process in which organisms convert sugars into biochemical energy using oxygen. This is the appropriate answer. Respiration is the general process in which organisms convert sugar into biochemical energy using oxygen.
Can we write like this? Respiration is a process in which there is a breakdown of food with the use of oxygen.
What is the problem in writing this answer?
Ma'am, no problem.
So all should have the same answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
सब बच्चों के पास एक ही answer
Excuse
होना
me, ma'am.
है. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, types of respiration, ma'am, anaerobic or ma'am, aerobic का ma'am वो
Two types of
ma'am
respiration.
definition
Only two types.
ma'am definition
नहीं definition नहीं लिखना है. Only write the types. Aerobic and aerobic respiration and anaerobic. Then name the respiratory organ for the following of the following: crab, gill.
Ma'am, gills.
Gill. Man, lung.
Trachea.
Okay. Now come to define transpiration.
ma'am, can I
होगा?
Page number 106. Transpiration is a process, is an important process through which plants lose their excess water through their open stomata. Page number 106, third paragraph. Transpiration is
Can we
an
write
important.
some keywords?
मैम कीवर्ड्स वाला हो सकता है
No need to discuss the question answer. Let it be. हम लोग छोड़ देते हैं. सब लोग अपने मन से लिख लो. सबका different answer. Correct or right or wrong or whatever. छोड़ दें.
No, ma'am.
Then why are you all acting so smart? First listen to me. आज आप लोग पहले सुनो. You know the answer, then all the classes know it. Let me first discuss the answer. And the appropriate answer I'm telling you, and you will have to write that same answer. What you write, I know. Transpiration is an important process by which or through which plants lose their excess water through their open stomata.
Yes, ma'am.
Define the term breathing rate.
मैम किसी के बैकग्राउंड से बहुत साउंड आ रहा है.
Each word.
Number of times.
Keyword. The number of times a person breathes per minute is known as breathing rate. Next. Name the body organ which help lungs during the process of breathing.
Ma'am, would it be
Diaphragm,
diaphragm
and rib cage.
and diagram and
Rib cage. Why do we need to breathe out carbon dioxide? Page number 110. High levels of carbon dioxide in the body can be toxic and so,
Ma'am.
so you write, don't write hence. So
Ma'am,
carbon
toxic.
dioxide.
Ma'am, what is which page number?
110.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of toxic?
Poisonous, I told you, na? अभी तो बताएं. Poisonous. And so carbon dioxide is
Poisonous.
it is brought to the lungs by the blood and then removed when we exhale. Then come to E1. Why do we get muscle cramp after heavy exercise?
मैम अंशिका के बैकग्राउंड से बहुत साउंड आ रहा है.
Anshika, please mute your mic. No, Anshika, no, it is not open. Okay, let it be. Why do we get muscle cramps?
Ma'am, we
Human
get muscles.
can respire anaerobically. Lactic, page number 104. Lactic acid is produced during this process and accumulates in the muscles. Because of this, the muscle cannot continue working for long. They get fatigued after some time, causing muscle cramps. Till here.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट द आंसर.
Yes. Page 104. Human muscles can respire anaerobically. Then cut this word, however. Lactic acid is produced during this process and accumulates in the muscles. Because of this, the muscles cannot continue working for long. They get fatigued after some time, causing muscle cramps. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why does a potted plant die when overwatered? Come to page number 106.
Ma'am.
The last paragraph. The cells in the hive, they take in air from the air spaces present between the soil particle.
तो ये पूरा पैराग्राफ ही आंसर हुआ.
लिख सकते हो या you can cut short from here. A plant die if overwatered because air spaces in the soil then get occupied by water and this prevents the plant root from taking in oxygen. You can cut short from here. First line you just leave.
पूरा लिख लेंगे.
A plant, therefore you cut this word. Die if overwatered because air spaces in the soil get occupied by water and this prevents the plant root from taking in air that they need.
Needed.
Where are stomata found in a plant? State the function. Stomata is found on the undersurface of the leaf. You will write directly stomata is found in the undersurface of the leaf or state their function. Function you can directly write. The word for function of stomata is to
Can we write exchange of gases?
is to help in exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. The work of or function of stomata is to help in exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. How is oxygen transported from lungs to other parts of the body? Page number 110. You will elaborate this answer. The blood while passing through the lungs picks up oxygen with the help of the red pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin transports oxygen to different parts of the body. It also picks up some of the carbon dioxide produced by cells during cellular respiration and transport it to the lungs for expiration. Clear?
Ma'am, please repeat the answer.
उस पैराग्राफ को ही कर लो.
Page number 110. The blood while passing through the lungs till hemoglobin and then from hemoglobin transport oxygen to till expiration. Draw a neat, well-labeled diagram of human respiratory system. That is given on page number 108. You have to draw the diagram and label it.
Ma'am, this diagram.
Yes.
This diagram.
हाँ 108 में जो diagram दिया हुआ. Then describe an activity to show that exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. Page number 110. High level of carbon dioxide in the body can be toxic and so carbon dioxide needs to be removed. क्या है question? Oh, you have to do an activity. No, don't write that answer. Describe an activity. You will write this activity. Page number 110, activity number 3. How will you write the activity? Activity कैसे लिखोगे? Materials required. This will be your.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मैम, सब लोग अपना माइक ऑन कर.
Drinking straw, then lime
Ma'am,
water
test tube.
and
Ma'am, Test tube.
टेस्ट ट्यूब. And process में book का help लेकर take a drinking or straw से process, that will be your process, and the last line will be your conclusion.
Ma'am, lime water and
Conclusion लिखकर और तब वो last line लिख दीजिएगा. Lime water
Okay,
terms
ma'am.
में लिखिए. Then describe the change that takes place around the rib cage. Rib cage के पास क्या होता है जब during inspiration, and state the effect of these changes. Listen students, इसका आंसर आप लोग को हम अभी WhatsApp पे भेज देंगे, written answer how you have to write, and you will note it down from that. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
WhatsApp पे देख लेना आंसर किस तरह से डिस्क्राइब किया गया है और उसको आप लोग नोट कर लीजिए. So we have completed this. हाँ बोलिए.
मैम एक्टिविटी 6 जो है ना उसमें हम लोग को ये भी लिखना है व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व कॉपी में.
What do you observe?
ये आप लिख सकते हो कॉपी में ये लाइन.
नहीं आप लिखो ना. नहीं आप सीधा लिखिएगा कि मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड में क्या क्या चाहिए आपको उस एक्टिविटी में, प्रोसेस जो बुक में दिया हुआ है, और कंक्लूजन में लास्ट लाइन.
So my first line to
Before I have not
to
got
show that experiment contains carbon dioxide.
Listen, what chapter is going on in the class, you should know. You all are messaging that sent chapter 4. I am not taught chapter 4. And why will I send it again and again? When I send you the question answer, you all don't write it down.
मैम आप चैप्टर को पढ़ाई नहीं.
पढ़ाई नहीं है, क्वेश्चन आंसर कहाँ से भेज देंगे? और चैप्टर 5 का मैंने भेज चुका है और आप लोग उसको लिखते नहीं हो. Why don't you write it on time?
मैम चैप्टर.
Okay. Now come to the.
excuse me ma'am.
हाँ बोलिए.
मैम चैप्टर 5 का क्वेश्चन आंसर मैम नहीं.
क्यों नहीं किया है? That what I want to ask. जब
आया
चैप्टर
ही नहीं
खत्म
था.
होता है उसी दिन मैं सेंड करती हूँ. So you take the help of other students. अपने ग्रुप में अपने स्टूडेंट्स का हेल्प लीजिए, फ्रेंड्स का.
मैम मैंने भेजा भी था.
They are sending, I am sending, you all are not noting it on time. So every time we will do the same work, then how we will proceed? Now here, we have marked the words till page number 105.